Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a Google Sheets file as view only. So you can just open the file that you want to share or set as view only. Okay, for example, I'm going to share this file to my colleagues, but I want to limit their access so they can only view this file, not edit. So this file is currently private to only me. So if you go to the share button, the status will private to only me. So to change it into view only, you can click on the share button. So this share option will be open, and here you can just add the people that you want to have access into this file that you want to share. Here, change their role from editor into viewer, so they can only view this file, and if this file will set as view only to them. Click on share, and that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.